Imagine a grow light engineered for peak performance, efficiency, powerful, and built for growers who demand the best without breaking the bank. That's exactly what Mars Hydro delivers. With a spectrum designed for explosive growth, Mars Hydro gives your plants a perfect balance of blue for tight structure, deep red for explosive flowering, and just the right touch of far red and UV to take resin production to the next level. The coverage? Unmatched. Even compared to pricier brands, your entire canopy gets the light it needs in every corner of the tent. And while most brands use the same diodes, true efficiency comes from engineering, and Mars Hydro excels, pushing energy efficiency to the best in class. Use discount code HEADIES420S on TS LED grow lights, grow tents, and ventilation, and discount code HEADIES420XL for FC, FCE, SP, and LED grow lights, grow tents, grow kits. High performance, low cost, and proven results. Mars Hydro is the grower's choice. Elevate your grow today.